If you are looking for an affordable laser printer with almost unlimited printing capabilities, this video is for you. So this is the box of laser printer OKI C332. It's the same as the C332DN version. This printer can do miracles. That is to say, this printer has probably the unlimited printing capabilities. Even though that the model C332 is discontinued now, I am almost certain that with a simple trick, which I will tell you about later in this video, you can print at least 3 times more with the same quality. But first, let us unbox this huge printer. Yes, it's monstrous and it's heavy. It's around 25 kilograms heavy. Be ready that this printer will take some place in your home or in your office. When you open the box, first thing you'll see is the power cord. Depending on your part of the world, you will find your specific connection. As you see, I'm having the European version, as I reside in Europe. In smaller open box are some documents and installation CD. Yes, those were the times. I strongly suggest to download the most recent drivers straight from the official OKI website. If you are lucky enough to have a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, you can still try to install it from the CD. However, it may happen that these old files won't be compatible with operating system like Windows 10, 11 or newer. Among other documents from smaller box is also international guarantee, thicker operational guide and similar documents. If you don't have experience with printers, it is wise to browse through them, at least quickly. As next comes the guide, which contains information how to peel the stickers that are holding internal parts of this printer. Yes, it's tedious job, but it needs to be done in correct way. Otherwise, you could try to open the compartment that wasn't properly restrained from secure stickers. I must confess that I had to watch a tutorial on YouTube. This is a non-Wi-Fi model. For the reason, I had to connect it directly to the network through the LAN cable. However, if you will go also for non-Wi-Fi model, you can connect it directly to your computer. This printer has 2 loading trays. The main tray can hold up to 250 sheets of 80 grams paper at once. Inside of the printer OKI C332 are 4 big toners for 4 of CMYK color range. That is to say, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Now, they contain a miraculous secret that OKI is probably trying to hide or doesn't know about it. It is also possible that OKI does it purposely, but I strongly hope that this isn't the case, because it would be borderline with a scam, a major scam. Let me explain. Even though that in selling info was said that this printer comes with toners that can print up to 1000 pages, I found out that it isn't true. For those who don't know, all toners ought to contain a chip that guards the pages to be printed. This should prevent toners to print more pages as prescribed. The reason for that is not to leave very low levels of toner powder, so that the quality of the print still remains at the top level. OKI printers are very proud on their printing quality. This is understandable. And yet, the first toners don't contain these kind of chips. I do print a lot. A lot means by tens of thousands of pages per year. I went through those initial 1000 pages with default toners quickly. When the printer showed warning that I should put a new toner, I ignored it, opened the toner tray, closed it, and it printed another 100 pages. I managed to do that multiple times. The 1000 pages toners then printed approximately another 1000 pages with the same visible quality as before. Then another warning showed up and my open lid trick stopped working. So I took out the black toner cartridge and replaced it with new toner cartridge with capacity of 3500 pages. However, I was curious, so I printed few pages on a new toner and then put it out and inserted old toner indicated as 1000 pages toner inside. You won't believe what happened next. I printed on that supposedly 1000 plus 1000 pages toner, initial toner, another 3500 additional pages with the same visible quality as before. How was it possible and what happened as next? This is what I will show you in the next video, so if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. My name is mariobeky, thank you for watching and we will see you soon. Ciao!